Hi everyone, this is Ali here, and I am just gonna explain something about the water damage devices and water damage phones, how to get them to the water damage repair. There are a few steps. This is just about the first standard one, that you just clean it out with a liquid. Now a few people asked me about what type of liquid do I use and what are the methods, so I'm just going to show you. So if we come up with this, we can see here, right, there you go, you can buy them. These are 99.9 pure alcohol. It can be 90%, even up to 90% is fine, but anything lower than that, I don't use them, because I think they're not good enough for logic board to dry up and clean up the liquid is on the motherboard. Now the process and the procedure for that is that you would need to take the logic board out. You need to leave it in a pot, just like that, and the next thing, you can spray on it. I've got liquid inside already. You can see. So that motherboard needs to be left up in there for about 20 minutes to 25 or 30 minutes. Once you do that, leave it there. After 20 minutes or 30 minutes, you need to take it out and clean it out. Clean it out, I mean, is you can literally you use a brush, soft brush, or anything that you use for it. It just clean out any rust that you can see, if there's any rust or any sorts of marks or from the liquid damage. You clean them out, you make sure they are clean out and everything. Then the next thing you need to do is just leave it there for up to half an hour to dry up. Now I had another question: can you use a heat gun or a hairdryer to dry it up? And the answer to that is, it's complicated, but yes, you can. I have used it. I do use hairdryer, or I don't use hairdryer. I've got a heat gun, proper heat gun that I use, but I know that how much of heat I need to apply to it to get it dry up. So you don't want to overheat it to burn any component onto the motherboard. So that's very important. You don't want to overheat it, because they're going to damage your any bits and bobs on the motherboard. So that need to be looked at. But apart from that, if you want to be really careful, or if you don't have that sort of heat gun, just leave it aside for about half an hour, 40 minutes, and once it's completely dried up, you just put them back into the phone. Now the second part of the process is the method that you see. This phone is completely we got a hell of marks here from liquid damage and everything. Now that means that the liquid has had access onto the phone completely. So the next thing to look at, this one, you see the connector points of the power button, where you apply the power button, the charging port, the battery port. You need to clean them out as well as the port where you charge your phone. These are important things. If the liquid has access on it, they are not going to work, so you need to clean them out as well, probably, and then wait for them to dry up. Once that dry up, then you can just leave it aside and then apply for it. If they don't work, you probably need to replace them and get another one, get a new one and replace them, and they should work. So yeah, these are the procedure of taking a device through water damage repair. This is not the advanced repair, this is just the basic or beginner repair. If anything is maximum damages onto that one, then these shields you can see here, they need to be taken off, and then look at the underneath what's going on, and then you'll find out whether there are maximum damage on there, or any damage on the IC or processor, or any sort of component that is causing the problem. So then you take it to another level of repair to get them replaced or fix them. So thumbs up guys, subscribe and share it, and I'll come up with more videos hopefully soon. Take it for now. Bye.